So our question is, magnesium reacts with element X to form an ionic compound. If the ground state electronic configuration of X is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, then the simplest formula for this compound is. So we will see here for the first option that is Mg2x. We will do the ionic configuration for every compound. Like for the first Mg2x, so it will be atomic number of Mg is 12, so it will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2. So what we can do here is we can make up that it will get cancelled because of the reason here 3s2 has been 3s2 has been here. Mgx2 will be cancelled because the valency is coming 2 for it. Mgx2 get cancelled. Mg2x3 Mg2x3 will get cancelled because of the valency reason. It is 3. Now we will see for Mg3x2. So what we find here it is that it is coming, Mg has the +2 charge, as we know it has +2 charge, and X has -3 here, so it will form Mg3 Mg3x2. So we will see where it is given in our solution. It is being given in the option 4, so this is our correct answer.